and welcome back. So before we move on to the leg, let me review how the extra credit in the assignment is done. That's the reverse scale or the volume maintain of the span. When we drag the span controller up or the chest up, it's stretching up, becomes longer, but the volume doesn't actually maintain. So we all know that when we drag something longer, it's becoming thinner too in the middle, or if it's a rubber band, when you drag it longer, it apparently will get thinner too, even it's being stretched. So let's see how we can do that. If you go to the node editor here, that's our stretching, and all we have to do is using that scale X to calculate the inverse scale YZ. Let me open my binding joint. Those are my binding joint here. Let me press the tab button. Seems like my tab button doesn't work. You can click that to open the create node. I'm gonna look for the multiply divide again. Okay, I'm gonna connect the output X, the stretching X, of my span stretching. I'm gonna calculate its square root by powering it by 0.5. The result will be the square root of the scale X or the output X here. So square root. Okay. Span stretch. Okay. And then I just need to create another multiply divide. Scale YZ. Span stretch scale YZ. Okay, and for this one I'm gonna connect the output X as input 2x, and for the input 1 I'm gonna use 1, and the operation will be divide. So this one is power, the other one is divide, and then the result goes to the scale YZ. I want to keep the root intact, and maybe the last one also intact, only stretching or reverse scaling the middle part, because I want to keep those two ends stable. Okay, so output X goes to scale Y and Z. Let me pass that along. Okay, and that's actually everything we need to do. So now when you drag it up, it gets thinner in the middle, and when you drag it down, it gets bigger. Just one more feature that we can really apply on the stretching. Alright, so that's the entire setup of the span. Okay, and I'm gonna start a new tutorial on the leg later on. Okay, so thanks for watching.